I secretly injected python DNA into my assistant. In a single night, his body transformed beyond recognition. Scales spread across his skin. Even his skull began reshaping into something reptilian. I watched with excitement, sure the experiment was about to succeed. Instead, his body took a disastrous turn. The python DNA inside him became unstable. He turned into a half-man, half-snake creature. My goal had been to push humans all the way into becoming snakes. That very night, I locked him inside a crate. Then I sold him cheaply to the local circus. The circus, once nearly deserted, was suddenly packed because of the Snake Man. Everyone assumed he was only wearing a costume. No one realized he had once been human. He tried to beg for help, but no words came out, and I continued my research. I went to his school and sought out my old friend, Professor John. I asked him to find me a college student assistant. Because of our long friendship, he could not refuse. He brought a student named Nick to me. With a new test subject in hand, I headed straight back to my field lab. The moment our car stopped, a young woman came out to welcome us. I saw Nick's eyes brighten at once. After that, I guided him around and showed him the different snake species. He relaxed almost immediately. Before long, he agreed to stay. He did not realize he had already walked into the abyss.
Immunization is an occupational necessity in our house.
I told him it was necessary for safety. I said he needed an injection, a serum against snake venom. What he did not know was that I injected him with king cobra DNA. That night, his body burned with fever. By the time he woke again, 7 days and nights had passed. The mirror sent him into panic. Large patches of his skin were peeling away. I calmly
Perfectly natural reaction to cobra inoculation.
I calmly told him it was a normal response. Once his temperature returned to normal, he stopped questioning me. Just then, 2 police officers came to the base. They were looking into my former assistant's disappearance. As soon as they were gone, I gave Nick another injection. He never noticed what I had done. The mongooses in their cage had already started reacting aggressively to him. Nick began looking at the king cobra with an unnatural sense of familiarity. Over the following days, I injected him hundreds of times. At the same time, I told my daughter to take very good care of him. Little by little,